look what I have. Carambola or star fruit. Chris here, Food FAQ. I know it's been a while, but stay tuned this month. I've got tons of these videos coming up for you. I had to bring these home because not only are they, well, there's no smell to them, but not only are they nice and big, but they seem to be in really good condition. Let's talk about star fruit. Before we continue, what I really want to impress on you is if you suffer from any sort of kidney issues, I would consult a doctor before you get into star fruit or carambola, originated in Southeast Asia. And it's one of those things that's great for weight loss because it's high in fiber and low in calories. So if you're trying to lose that weight, if you're trying to get that summer body, you've got to get your hands on some star fruit. After you've given them a good rinse, you want to wash, make sure it's washed nice and clean. Then all you would do, and I'm using my countertop here as the guinea pig. I don't recommend using your knives on your countertop. It will go dull, but this is why it's called a star fruit. Notice the shape, it's like a star. And I'm just gonna cut a slice open here so we can try it. The flesh is firm, crunchy, and juicy. There's a sweet sort of tart flavor to it with hints of pear, grape, and an undertone of orange. Now, as far as uses, as a fruit salad, any type of salad you can add some of this into. As a drink, a smoothie, and later on, if you head over to my Caribbean Pot channel, you will see me make two things out of this. It's very fibrous, as I said. I'm gonna make a juice and I'm gonna make an anchar, which is a spicy sort of pickle. So, star fruit. Yo, you gotta give it a try once you see it. Yo, and you know, sometimes you're in the resort and you buy that fancy cocktail. Boom. Well, they're gonna sort of pretty up the glass with a little star fruit. Look at it. Boom, on top there. Chris here, Food FAQ. Star fruit carambola. I hope you enjoyed this video.